Welcome to the Alpha Training and Consulting's online training program. Today we'll answer the question, what is measurement system analysis? Remember, we've been working on certification preparation courses for over 20 years. We've become very good at it, and we'd love to have you as one of our students. So please keep us in mind. All right, back to the question, what is a measurement system analysis? Most experts agree that measurement system analysis consists, as a minimum, the following. Measurement calibration must be within instrument specifications. We've talked about that, bias studies and those types of things in earlier lectures. Resolution study, NDC, number of distinct categories, must be 5 or greater. And gauge R&R study, that's percent gauge R&R, 30% gauge R&R or less. So if you can meet all these requirements, you're considered to have a capable measurement system. Remember, to be objective, to do math, you must need two things. It must be measurable and it must be predictable. In other words, the process must be in control. This is how you determine if something is measurable. I'm not going to go through those too much more. We've already covered those in previous lectures, but that's what is considered to be an MSA, Measurement System Analysis. And by the way, one other thing, this 30% gauge R&R, this study, I didn't bring that up in later lectures, I just remembered it when I started this one, but this gauge R&R study assumes the data is normally distributed, by the way. I just thought I should throw that in there as needed information. All right, there you go. If you have any questions, please contact me. Remember all these websites I have. I have a website for every class. You might want to put this on pause, find the website that you need, go sign up for one of those classes, and it'd be great to have you as a student. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.